Hi class, today we are discussed about method of preparation of alcohols. Previous lecture we are discussed about method of preparation of alcohols by Grignard reagent and from alkenes, and in the diborane. Today we are discussed about method of preparation of alcohols from carbonyl compounds, such as for example aldehydes. Aldehyde react with hydrogen, and this bond also break down. This is the partially negative charge and this one is the partially positive charge, and now finally we get product R COH and H, and this H also, because this H are breakdowns the bond breakdowns between two H, and one H connected by the negative parts and the other connected by is this positive charge. We get first degree alcohols. Secondary, we take examples ketones. In the case of ketones, in the presence of sodium NaBH4, this bonds break down this oxygen negative charge and this carbon's positive charge, and we get product finally RCH2, RCH and OH and R. This one second degree alcohols. Aldehyde and ketones are reducing to corresponding alcohols by addition of hydrogen in the presence of catalyst hydrogenations. The usual catalyst in the finely divided metals such as platinum, palladium, nickel, and prepared by treating aldehyde and ketones with sodium borohydride or lithium aluminum hydride. Aldehydes yield primary alcohols, whereas ketones give us secondary alcohols. Second one, by reduction of carboxylic acid and ester. By reduction of carboxylic acid and ester. Carboxylic acid are reducing to first degree alcohol in excellent yield of lithium aluminum hydride or strong reducing agent. We take examples R COOH in the presence of strong reducing agents LiAlH4 and also water. This bond breakdowns partially negative charge, this one is the partially positive charge, and finally we get product RCH2OH alcohols. Lithium carboxylic acid are reduced to first degree alcohols in excellent yield of lithium aluminum hydride and strong reducing agent. This one is the strong reducing agent. Lithium's hydro LiAlH4 is expensive reagent, and therefore by preparing especially chemical only. It means जो हमारे पास LiAlH4 है, ये हमारे पास एक एक्सपेंसिव रिएजेंट है जिसका यूज हम क्या करेंगे, प्रिपेयर एल्कोहल्स बनाने के लिए कॉमर्शियल यूज होता है. By converting them to ester by their reducing hydrogen presence in the catalyst of hydrogenation. RC double bond O in the presence of ester then react with HOR alcohols. In the presence of hydrogen, H positive, negative and positive parts, this one water reduced in this water reduced H2O, and finally we get RCH2OH, RCH2 and plus byproduct ROH, alcohols. Acid reduced to alcohols by converting them to ester by their reducing agent hydrogen. Hydrogen presents in the catalyst, and finally we get product from alcohols.